Mordú? No, Quinta? Yeah.
An áit is massa ná an fictúrlan ach náitina eile an trein uanta siomra fehefan doctúra.
Going out for a meal or a coffee is difficult now to find an appropriate place because nowadays cafes are all hard surfaces, wooden floors, tiled floors, tables with no tablecloths. The preparation area is often in the same room, it's often open plan, so you can hear all the lumping and the clanking and the scraping of the chairs on the floors when people stand up.
Tá saoil sosiálta an cúngacha, mar ní féidir le dal amach go dtí an pictiúrlan, an bíalan, áitina an bhfuil parties ar siúl, mar chuirlan fuaim isteach comór sin ars orthu, agus tá sé an uignach dómh siúd.
Do you get the store? Tuss or rash go lua? On gas gan on if you guessed?
No. Fearm snead agalin sin, lei hain, heish denimit.
Cad a hála sarcha, an raibh tríd a raibh?
Nope. Bhí farag sí an aclin ag ihe popcorn agus ní raibh an zero a rud a bit eile seachas an turn.
Sin I made atá cear leat. Hiú mé go rud trom cúisio go bhí a gceist.
Míhal, ná bí códí bheasúil sin. Tá is a got an deacracht atá sarcha, le fumanna, ná bach leis a stór.
Germátach. Tá an trécht ag seo.
Cad?
Tá tú déine an tarann sin a rís.
Na fumanas go tríonnta chuir isteach ar daine le Misophonia ná a cogant éthe. Duine githe éonáis bíag.
My worst trigger would be noisy eaters, sitting with somebody who's a noisy eater.
Always tóca an canaganach agus an mongalt. Nor bhíonn daoine ag éthe.
The worst sounds for my sister, I think, was somebody eating really noisily, or not even noisily, just eating in general, and breeding. You weren't allowed to breed.
Cad atá cear leatsa. Tá an aib seo daoine le blianta anús. Tá méid sé có éasca sin cínta, bheadh sé réite ag sarcha. Bheadh sé níos cidúil dá méid tusa níos tuiscinach is baúil faoi. Tá sé dachar de clown, mátá duine le misophonia nó phonophobia sa tach, mar dá riair ní higann siad catá car, mar tá siad sanna dal inglech le fuman an ardúrtha.
Níl amach ag tuairt arad am go nó hain.
Tá sé dachar den clown bheith tuiscinach leis an duine seo.
The hardest part of having a sister with misophonia is like you can't just relax and chill out in your own bedroom. We're always fighting like over stupid little things, like we just kill each other, and like sometimes I would just walk out and I just wouldn't be in the humour for fighting with her, and then other times I'd stick up for myself and I'd know I'd be annoying her, so I'd just make loads of noise, eat really noisily, and just laugh at her then because I just thought she was crazy.
People who don't have misophonia do tend to think of it as just you being fussy, and there is a member of my family who isn't the quietest eater, and I've stopped saying anything about it, but I can't help the look crossing my face, and this person thinks it is very amusing then to exaggerate the noise.
You heard him gurgling sin.
Laróig mé leis níos déine.
Ní féidir am lenacht arm mar seo. Beidir go bhfuil an ceart aige. Mar dhéidir sinach. Sin ahar éigs, be ceart goach sé takeúlam. Can mé dócha go doctor dú mar daikin.
Smuoinmh maith sin.
De gan ná ní chum an aib sin inúil de gaoine, mar níl mór an tuiscint acu. Agus cheapam héin gur bin béal na host, agus comádim an rún sin dom héin. Is cúis gáire é de gan ná. Curann sé sin isteach go mór arm, nach bhfuil an tuiscint sin ag daoine.
Sin rud atá tarlú idir na clúis seo agus an intin den tros seo. Ná go dag an gach fuaim isteach tríd an glúas. Tríd timpáin na clúise, an casúr, an cnábhinónach agus an stirapín. An sin leanan sé raig tríd an cócla, an néróg clostála, sús an cónar éisteachta, go dtí an córtéis éistála. Mé díon levéil an fuaim san cónar éisteachta. Agus faoi ná mar frisin sé an córtéis éistála, tá nuim róg áda na dtíine seo, mar tá a levéil mí compórdach I bhd níos ísle hena féin. Ní lis a gún cén fá ach seo mar a hálíonn.
When I feel a trigger sound, that's all I can hear. I just concentrate on it, and it makes me very angry. I want to get to the source of the noise and stop it in whatever way is possible.
Well, churann siad isteach arm mar níl éon ritham sna fuaimne sin. Níl siad pleisiúra. Is dócha go bhfuil mé an tamar fad ag tnú leis an céad ó cáil eile a tharlaíonn an uaim sin a rís agus a rís an duine ag agus ag ithe cnágnach ag fuathráil. Tain sé raig agus bí mé ag tnú leis an tamar fad.
Tá hardwiring a gceist nuair glastar fuaim éigean mar hampla doing féin má cluismid piasa ceol, áling nó drill uásach nuair tagan mothúcán suas doing féin. Agus nuair cluismid an fuaim sin a ríis tagan na mothúcán arás doing. Now, tarlíonn sé sin de daoine le misophonia agus phonophobia ach tá sé bhmad níos measa dóibh siúd.
The first time I remember it having an effect on me and in a relationship with somebody else was when I was at boarding school, and the girl I shared the dormitory with was eating an apple, and the way she was eating the apple, it was just resounding round my head, round the whole room, and I ended up actually throwing her out of the dormitory for eating the apple, which has sort of gone down in school history.
Tá cuimhne ansoléir agam agus mé im chalín sa scoil cónaithe, agus tá bhí rial an-díon fad I bhaim ag na maná rialta. Ní raibh cad ag éine graim a thógantás úl. Bhí ar an goléir an trúil sin a ghearú I BC beaga, agus an sin a bhí cadagan an trúil sin a ithe. Tá hahan an rial sin go mórlam.
Tá an limbic system an cóngrach den auditory cortex seo. Tagan ar mothúcán amachchas an chóras limbic, agus tagan an slí ina dailálinn daoine le 8-3 ina héal an gcóras autonomic. Cailann fuaimena a meallach sa chónar éisteachach, agus ten siad trasna chuig na gcóras limbic nó autonomic. Siad sin na chóras a bhfuil I gceannas na mothúcáin. Capan na córas seo gur únsaí torann atá gceist, mar ní cóir fuaim ar bit a bheith I láthras na córas seo. Díreach an íag sin tagan an farragach sa mothúcáin suas dá bhar.
There was one example when I was teaching in a school for deaf children, and there was a teacher, lovely, lovely person, but the noisiest eater on the planet. And we were sitting in the staff room and he's eating his lunch. And I seriously wanted to punch him in the face. So I did the next best thing, which was very passive-aggressive. I just turned to him and I said, I hope that tastes as good as it sounds, which I felt terribly bad about afterwards, but for a nanosecond I had relief from the anger that I was feeling.
Mohim na 3 Fs, farag, freach agus frostachas. Ach is duine ciún soccer suamhnach mé, agus ní bhíonn clú ar bith ag an créatóir bot atá ag canagart ar an úil sin go bhfuil mé chun dorn a thuairt dó agus go bhfuil sé in aice na duine atá ar imil foréigean.